Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the fourth tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out the echo statement in PHP, and we're going to see how we can output text using PHP to the screen. So I have a file opened up here in my text editor. It's called hello.php, and you can see that I have some HTML tags in it, and I also have the PHP tags in it. On line number 6, the opening PHP tag, then I have some PHP code, and then I have the closing PHP tag on the same line. Now, a couple of things that I would want to mention is that even though the head tag in this document is the HTML tag, I still have the extension .php for my file. And if I would save this file with the .html extension and would try to open it using Apache, then this code, the PHP code in the file, would not be translated. I would just see the output of the HTML tags and nothing else. Right, so it's very important to have the PHP tags, the extension .php to the file, even if there is just one line of PHP in the file, right? And the other thing is that PHP is white space insensitive. So, instead of having the closing PHP tag on line number 6, if I want to have it on line number 7 instead, it's not going to make any difference to the way Apache is going to translate this code, right? And in the head section, I have the title tags, and between the opening and closing title tags, I have the text hello YouTubers, and there's only very little HTML that we're going to use in this course. Maybe later on we're going to talk about forms a bit, and if you haven't practiced HTML in a long time, it's not really going to make much difference. And if you want to learn HTML from scratch, then there's another series of tutorials I have on HTML. You can watch that and familiarize yourself with all these tags. So anyway, between the opening and closing PHP tags, I have the word echo, and echo does in PHP what printf does in C, or the print function does in Python. It just outputs stuff, right? So in this case, I have a string that I'm going to output on the screen, and I know it's a string because I have enclosed it within double quotes. So there's a opening double quotation mark here and the closing double quotation mark here, and in between the opening and closing double quotes, I have the text hello space YouTubers, an exclamation symbol, and then a space, right? And then of course I have the semicolon to terminate the statement. I'll save the file, and I'll go to my browser, and instead of info.php, I'm going to now search for hello.php, which is the name of the file. When I press the enter key, I see the text hello YouTubers, right? So that's how the echo function works, and you can actually concatenate strings in the echo function, and you can display two things together. So let's say in this file you also want to see the result of a mathematical calculation, like you want to multiply the numbers 17 and 5, and you want to see the result of that appended to the string. So you can do that by giving a space after the second double quotation mark, and then you can type in the concatenation operator or the dot operator, and then give another space and type in the mathematical expression that you want to evaluate. So let's say you want to multiply 17 with 5. I'll type in 17, then the asterisk symbol, which is the multiplication operator, and then the second argument, which is 5, and I'll save this file now, and I'll refresh, and there we go. We see the result 85. 17 times 5 is 85, so we see that. So that's how you concatenate strings, and we're going to see a lot of this in this course. And that's it for now. In the next tutorial, we'll check out more features of PHP, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.